Let's go get them again.
This hobby of ours, we never stop discovering. It's always exciting for me, sometimes disappointing to discover a brand new fragrance, all that good stuff. This brand right here, this is new to me. This is my first from the house of Vilhelm Parfumerie. I'm looking forward to seeing what they have in store. This one right here, of course, Morning Chess has been getting much of the buzz on YouTube. I think their marketing department should maybe go with Mango Skin. That's just my personal opinion, but I haven't smelt this. But Mango Skin's one, two, it's a tough fragrance. Oof. When I mean tough, I mean great. So let's see what they have to offer. Let's get into it. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on Morning Chess from the house of Vilhelm Parfumerie, New York. First sniff of the brand. I'm excited about this brand only because of the strength of a little Lucky Scent sample that I got. Their mango-based fragrance called Mango Skin. That videos will be in coming up probably in 2021 and in the start of 2021. It's going to be a test drive and that thing is bottle worthy. 100%. So my excitement for the brand is already up there because of Mango Skin. I don't know how they can trump that. It's one of the best, if not the best mango-based scent that I've ever smelt in my life. So that one is full bottle worthy. We'll see what this one's all about. This one is compared to Aventus. From my limited research, and again, how many Aventus fragrances do we need in our arsenal? This guy says one. That's all you need. You need the originator, Aventus, keep it moving. If you can't afford it, then yeah, look at elsewhere for the cheaper alternatives. I'm not the biggest fan of Aventus fragrances, so this again is, it may surprise me, it may not smell like it. You're gonna get your honest truth right here from this guy right here. That's why you're subscribed and watching. But if it does smell like it, you're going to see a lukewarm reaction. If it has differences, which are in the positive section, I'll let you know. So let's unbox Morning Chess and let's see what this one has to offer. All right, let's unbox this one. Let's take the sleeve off. Let's start opening this one up. Again, this is my first of the brand. So we are going to see first bottle of the brand. I've smelt Mango Skin, which is highly recommended for me. If you're looking for a new spring mango, summer mango scent, Vilhelm Parfumerie, Mango Skin, dead on, amazing, amazing scent. Now, again, every time when it's a first bottle, you always want to take a look at it. Looks like a hockey puck of some sort, a very interesting look. We got, of course, that cap action, not bad. I like the yellow coloration. It's got some detail on it, very nice. It's got, I guess, their logo on the cap. Oh, and they do have their logo inside of the cap. So attention to detail with niche perfumery is always a must. Let's sniff Morning Chess. Let's see if I get that heavy bergamot pineapple opening that Aventus has. Okay, it's got that, yes. Yep, it has. It's got a little something different up in here. So that fruity pineapple, sparkling bergamot. Yes, but it has a bitterness and almost an earthiness. The galbanum in here doing its thing, and the greenness of that. Very interesting. It has a little bit of, you know what? I like this one. This one has a little more edge, less pedestrian than Aventus, if I can say. I feel like Aventus is a very pedestrian release from Creed, to be quite honest. I really think all their other stuff has, it's a little more outside the box. That this one right here, I like the fruitiness. Bergamot is on par with what Creed does. But I like the bitterness, the different, okay, so it's got that leathery touch, a little bit of smoke, not too much, but that bitterness, even though it's, I would have to say it's a secondary note. It's very interesting, but it has a lot of green elements here. It does have that pineapple, bergamot, sparkly introduction, but it has that bitterness kind of changes the game a bit, which I like, which I really, really like actually, because it's something different, a little more off the cuff than a lot of these Aventus fragrances, clones, all that good stuff. But very interesting release. Happy that I have it. I think this one has some potential to it. Not a lot of people are going to like that extra touch, I'll be honest, that bitterness from the galbanum, the greenness, the earthy tones to that. There is some earthiness. I think that's from the patchouli, but there's a little bit of a, yeah, it's green, it's citrusy. It's got a little bit of a leathery touch, just a pinch here. It's aromatic. Patchouli definitely here. It's got an earthy tone. The galbanum, very interesting. Well blended, well done. I like this introduction. I really do. I like the different stages of it. So I can't wait to put this one on skin, see how it develops and how it's done. So actually, you know what? Morning Chess, not bad of a twist on a very, very, and I mean very popular DNA. Well done. I think the bergamot is the star of the show here in the opening, at least. The galbanum being the secondary in command. Can't wait to see what this one has to offer on my skin. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below if you have one, especially with this brand. Again, I'm a noob. Mango Skin, definitely 100% for me for the brand. You haven't heard anything from me yet. I can't wait to do that test drive because that one is 100% bottle worthy and it is going to go in the top 20 spring or summer list. I can see it. This, on the other hand, even though very interesting right now, early returns, this kind of DNA, not top 20 worthy for me, but very interesting. Well done, good little twist, and it kind of shows the quality of this brand now that we got, you know, two not bad releases. One stellar, Mango Skin. Morning Chess is fairly solid. Now I'm going to look at other ones from the brand and see what else they have. So if you're interested in this scent, they can be had either at Etiquette in Montreal, Canada. Beautiful Montreal. The Habs are going to start playing soon. Can't wait to see my hockey team playing. Or you can go to Euro Perfumes in the States and try out this brand. One word of advice, again, if you're watching me and you have my taste and you're looking for something for spring or you're looking just for something mango based, this is the brand to go with. Mango Skin is a banger, a banger. I'm going to get a bottle of that. That's not even a joke. It's going to happen. So as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your bergamot, Aventus-like based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.